The application that will be discussed today is Smart Medical Reference, which was designed by Imago LLC. Smart Medical Reference is a great resource for nurses as well as anyone working in the medical field. The purpose of this tool is to provide a one-step reference to useful medical information. The great thing about this application is that it displays multiple features right in the palm of your hand. All it takes is a click on the icon and medical professionals can look up medical references such as PubMed, medical abbreviations, or medical terms in English or Spanish. The application also allows one to gather education on medical tests and procedures, all types of lab values, information on drugs, and one can use calculators for medical conversions. Nurses understand that in order to provide proper care to patients, it is important that they are competent. Competent means that one has the knowledge and the skills to perform the duties that being a nurse entails. This application gives nurses the ability to educate themselves on medical information they might not be familiar with, which in return allows nurses to provide competent care to their patients as well as educate their patients. The application has a large amount of common lab tests that can be performed, totaling 375. The application also offers 3 types of calculators, which are converting SI to US units for lab values, conversions of measuring such as weight, and clinical conversions such as BMIs. This is an application that not only gives healthcare professionals useful medical information, but it also gives nurses the potential to give their patients useful medical information. Smart Medical Reference is an application that is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to use. The layout is formatted beautifully, which allows users to have well-organized information. One of the great features of this application is that in the laboratory section and test procedure section, there are small pictures next to each area, which gives a nice visual of what a user can click on. For example, in the test procedure section, you can search by systems. Next to the cardiovascular section, there is a picture of a heart. An image of this will be shown in a later slide. This application uses icons displayed in a symbol form in order for users to make their way through the application. One can simply click on the application, and once it is open, it will show 5 familiar icons that are located at the bottom of the page. For example, the drug section uses the symbol of a pill. This application offers clear and concise data, which is easy to read. The great thing about this application is that it provides fast and efficient information that nurses, doctors, nursing students, and many more can use. These are screenshots of 2 sections the application offers. This shows the laboratory and drug sections. As you can see, there are the 5 icons located at the bottom of the page. These are what the user will go back and forth between sections with. You can also see on the lab section the pictures next to each category, which was discussed previously. These are the other 3 sections that the Smart Medical Reference application offers. These are the calculator section, which provides more than 500 different calculations, the test procedure section, and the reference section, which allows users to search medical websites. As of right now, there are no legal, ethical, or privacy concerns. This application has a sole purpose of providing useful medical information in order to educate healthcare professionals. Users of this application must still demonstrate good judgment and continue working in their scope of practice. This application does require that the users agree to the terms of the license. Failure to abide by the terms gives the company the right to terminate usage of the application. Also, if there are any damages the user comes into contact with, it is not the responsibility of the seller. Overall, this application certainly provides a great resource with the benefits outweighing the limitations. The benefits include being able to help improve patient care, and the application is a great tool to educate medical workers on medical information unknown, as well as refresh one's memory on information that is known. The application is a convenient tool for healthcare professionals, providing easy access to medical information quickly. The best thing about the application is that it does not cost any money. The issues with the application are that it is only available for iPhones, iPads, or iPods at this moment. However, it should be available for Android and Windows soon. Also, one must have iOS 6.0 or later and be 17 years of age or older to download. As of right now, the application only comes in the English language. To conclude this presentation, I want to state that I would highly recommend this application. As nurses, we cannot know everything, nor are we expected to know everything. This tool gives nurses the opportunity to gather medical information quickly, which will help to provide better care to our patients. The application is free of charge for users and will help medical professionals gain a better understanding of medical knowledge. Lastly, Smart Medical Reference is easy to use and quick to download. If anyone is interested, they can download it at iTunes today.